जो स्रोत है यहाँ की भावनाओं का, यहाँ के सोचने के तरीके का, वो ये यहाँ के पोल हैं।
I met Keshav Verma, I think, in the first or second week after he became Municipal Commissioner of Ahmedabad. And I put up my drawings of the CG Road redevelopment on a tack board, and I started explaining the project to him. And as I explained the project to him, he got interested, and he turns around to me and says, "Well, we got to do this project." And I said, "Okay, we'll do it." And then I very clearly remember him sort of rocking his chair, sitting there and turning around to one of his staff members. I think it was Asnani or somebody. He says, "Asnani, you know what? If I don't do something with this job, I'll be very unhappy. I'm going to give it my best and do whatever I can with this job." And, you know, as everybody in Ahmedabad knows, for the next 3 years, he really gave it his best and turned the city around. It's sad that after 3 years he left and went away. He could have done a lot more. But I guess he's done other things in the rest of the world. So I wish him all the very, 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 very best as he retires from the World Bank.
His initiative was really a pioneering, because eventually the Ahmedabad became the first city in India to take this heritage process much forward and become a national example to and pioneer in helping many other cities in India to follow this path. His initiative and support for this unique program is very much pioneering, and his day-to-day support and all the detailed initiative in making it happen is very, very important and an example for the whole country.
My remembrance of Mr. Verma goes back to 1996 when he pioneered the slum networking program in the Municipal Corporation of Ahmedabad. It is a unique slum upgrading project where for the first time the Municipal Corporation inculcated a partnership between a people's organization like MHT, a community finance organization, Seva Bank, the community and the Municipal Corporation, a partnership which was formally recognized by the local body. For the first time, he brought in people's voice into governance. Mr. Verma set up this tradition of a unique partnership between the citizens and the city, a partnership which has been continued by the Municipal Corporation in different ways to date, and we will always remember him for that.
Mr. Verma had that vision of setting this up, saying that we want 3 things for our city managers. 1, big time capacity building. 2, to do advocacy with state and the central governments. And 3rd, the information exchange between cities. Now for these 3 reasons, setting up of a local government association was extremely important, and I'm very fortunate to have been able to work with Mr. Keshav Verma, the then president, the founder president of the City Managers Association of Gujarat.
I very fondly remember a golden period of transformation of Ahmedabad city from a sick municipal corporation to a buoyant municipal authority under the dynamic leadership of Mr. Keshav Verma. He gave a priority to financial reforms and gave his first priority to plug the leakages in most important sources of revenue, the octroi and property tax. He plugged the leakages ruthlessly, and to a great surprise to everyone, it was observed that municipal revenues rose to double within a short period of 1 month. He took up a very important project of riverfront development. The river, which was supposed to be a great boon to the city, was being used as a drainage. He converted that river into a resource. Mr. Keshav Verma had a great strength and great capabilities of encouraging the people working in the corporation. He fully utilized the potential of the existing officers and staff and encourage them to perform their best. It was this tact, it was this capability that made him very successful.
Mr. Keshav Verma was fully dedicated in his work. He would think nothing except corporation. It means morning, evening, night, every time he would only think of the corporation. He had laid emphasis on improvement of the garden. The garden department participated in International Garden City competition. More than 600 cities of the world participated. 20 were shortlisted, and Ahmedabad one of them. And Ahmedabad improvement is based on a few projects for which the Gujarat has earned the name. And these projects are Sabarmati Riverfront, Kankaria Lake, BRTs. And all these projects, the foundation was laid by no other than Mr. Keshav Verma. He has done a wonderful job. People will always remember him. And I wish him best of luck to him and his family.
Keshav Verma was a decisive, dynamic, tough and practical municipal commissioner who got things done. He was a man on the go with a vision, and he gave full support to those he thought could help him achieve his goals. A cultured man with varied interests, he did so much for Ahmedabad, and it will be great if he comes back to Ahmedabad.